Disco909 here. That's my interpretation of Christone Kingfish Ingram's Outside of This Town. Love this guy's guitar playing, fantastic blues player. And this works out really well for a 3-string cigar box guitar, or alternate cigar box guitar. This is one of my planks. Happy to tell you about it in another video. Easy to make, lots of fun. I'm tuned EBE today. This is a lot like a Stevie Ray shuffle. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. There's one trick to it. You got to get off on the right foot, which means you have to start with an upstroke. Really matters. If you jump into the song and you try playing it with just a downstroke, you'll find that it just feels kind of awkward. But once you realize that, or once I realized that, it became actually not too hard. So it's simply brushing up on the top 2 strings, I guess, or all 3 of them. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to write it like this, though. So brush up and come down on the low string. That's your motion. Then you go to the 3rd fret, brush up and down. So up, down, up, down, up, all the way to the 10th fret, up, down. That's actually the end of the phrase because it repeats. So you start again with the up to the low E. So if the tab looks a little weird to you, it isn't, because it's a circular thing. And then, of course, he's not playing slide, so he doesn't slide into that 10. If you want to sound more like him, you want to try to really get right on that 10 really quickly. Kind of like that. That's a little challenging, but it's totally doable. And then the pre-chorus, or pre-bridge, I guess in this case, is simply 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and, while starting on the up. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Then you go to the G, but a full chord, and it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So I'm kind of using my thumb pick and my fingers. 2, and 3, and 4, and. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. That's the 5th fret, A. G again, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. A again, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Like that. And then the turnaround lick, which is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. But the turnaround lick is not shuffled. It isn't like what you might think it should be, but it isn't. He plays it straight time, which is actually really cool because it really changes the intensity of the turnaround. So 1, 2, 3, like that. Then you're back into the song. So there's only one way to get good at it, is look at the tab, memorize it, and then slow it down and go your own speed. Try to get that distance as a muscle memory. It'll probably be, if you're pretty new, it'll probably be pretty hard at first. That part's easy. But then the once you get the muscle memory going, believe it or not, that's not as hard as it might look. I hope you have a lot of fun with this great song. Have a great day. Bye.